Hello guys, Easy Exam Tricks by Zudano is here to remind you something. Notification of IBPS RRB 2020 is only up to 21st of July 2020. If you haven't applied it, please apply. So it was notified on its official website on 30th of June 2020 in the official website www.ibps.in, and it has released the post for several categories. The registration has started on July 1st, 2020. So if you haven't applied, it's a reminder, please apply. Let's go and see what all things we have to note in this and what all things we have to prepare for our examination. So every year it releases a large number of vacancy for both assistant and officer cadre in RRBs all over the India. This time also it happened. There are vacancies as office assistant, officer scale 1, scale 2 and scale 3. In scale 2 there are for agriculture officer, marketing officer, treasury officer, low CE. One can apply for the post of office assistant and also for the post of officer. However, aspirants can apply for the only one post in officer's cadre. That is, in case of applying for officer scale 1, he cannot apply for scale 2 and scale 3. Okay, so you need to apply separately for the same, and the fee is paid separately too. Okay, now we shall see the important dates. The notification was published on 30th of June 2020. It started on 1st of July 2020 and the last date is 21st of July 2020. So the call letters will be available on August 2020. The dates are not published yet. Now the dates for the preliminary examination for officer scale 1 and office assistant. It will be on September or October of 2020 and the results will be published on October 2020 itself. And the online main examination for the officer scale 1 and office assistant and the preliminary examination for the scale 2 and scale 3 will be done on October and November 2020. Now going to the vacancies, for office assistant there is a vacancy of 4,682 and for officer scale 1 it is 3,800, which is a large number. Then for officer scale 2 agriculture officer there are only 100. And scale 2 marketing officer there are only 8, scale 2 treasury officer there are 3 and scale 2 law there are 26, scale 2 ZA there are 26 and scale 2 IT is 59 and scale 2 general banking officer it is 838 and officer scale 3 it is 156. For office assistant there will be preliminary examination as well as main examination which will be held in September and October. Now so officer scale 1 also it will be held like that. As we have said, there are two phases, preliminary and main examination. Then going to the preliminary examination, it consists of only reasoning and numerical ability. English and general awareness will not be in preliminary examination. Now in the reasoning section there will be 40 questions carrying 40 marks and numerical ability also there will be 40 questions carrying 40 marks. So cumulative time of 45 minutes will be given. You have to divide the time accordingly and do that within the time. Okay, now going to the main examination, there will be reasoning, general awareness, numerical ability, English or Hindi you can select, and then computer knowledge will also be there. Okay, so it consists of 2 hours and 200 questions and 200 marks. For reasoning, there are 40 questions and 50 marks. For general awareness, there are 40 questions and 40 marks. If you are good at GA, you can score almost 30 to 38 marks from that session. Then for numerical ability, there are 40 questions and 50 marks. Then for English or Hindi language, it carries 40 questions carrying 40 marks. Then computer knowledge, 40 questions, only 20 marks will be given. Now for the officer exam pattern, there will be, that is a scale 1, scale 2 and scale 3. They will be having prelims, mains and interview. Okay. So now for the prelims, they will be having the same topics, reasoning and numerical ability carrying 40 questions and 40 marks with a cumulative time of 45 minutes. And for mains also they will have to prepare like that of the office assistant. That is reasoning, general awareness, numerical ability, English or Hindi language and computer knowledge. Okay. So now moving to the eligibility criteria of the office assistant. The candidates who are applying for the post of office assistant in any particular RRB are required to possess the proficiency in the local language of the state or union territory in which the RRB is situated. So that is one point you have to keep in mind. Then the next criteria, the age limit for office assistant will be from between 18 to 28 years. Officer scale 1 will be 18 to 30 years, scale 2 will be 21 to 32 years, and scale 3 will be 21 to 40 years. Age relaxations are also given. Age relaxation on category wise, for SC/ST it is 5 years, OBC 3 years, for PWD it is 10 years, ex-servicemen actual period of service rendered in the defense forces plus 3 years, and 8 years for the disabled man. Belonging to SC/ST subject to maximum age limit of 50 years. Then for widows, divorced women legally separated from their husband who have not married, it is remarried, it is 9 years. Now the application fee, it is 850 for general category. For SC/ST and PWD, it is 175 rupees. Now the link for applying the application, it is given in the description box and it is given here. Please see the notification, download it, read it. Now if you want to get success, you have to keep practicing and practicing and practicing. Do mock tests, then study all the GA, read newspaper, read the editorials of Hindu, Economics Times, etc. Then don't miss to practice on topic wise, chapter wise, and speed test to evaluate your performance, which helps you track and build your speed. So all the best for all the aspirants. We will be helping and guiding you in the coming videos. So bye.